right. Okay, so the next class we have, healthy, easy, and fast cooking techniques. This one's going to be a lot of fun. My wife is going to be here, and she's actually going to cook while we are teaching. Okay? So I have set it to her to cook 2 complete meals while we're teaching. Okay? With the same materials. So not 2 different, doing multiple stations. She's going to cook one, start over with the same materials, and cook another one. Okay? So that'd be the same thing, second Saturday of the month, 10 to 11. Okay. Here's some of the things we're going to go over. Health benefits and concerns with various cooking techniques. Right? So the way you cook something makes a big difference in whether it may or may not be healthy. 5 healthy meals you can make in 20 minutes or less. Okay? My wife's going to make 2 of them. Preparation techniques to increase nutrition and decrease toxins. And then dining out nutrition tips. And that'll be a fun one too. Okay?